Today, let's discuss a topic that many are curious about, which is more important, English or Python. Of course, English is a tool for communication, while Python is a tool for data processing and analysis. Therefore, it is quite challenging to compare them in a straightforward manner and determine superiority. However, due to their increasing significance in modern society, we will explore the reasons and the strengths and weaknesses of each in depth. First, let's talk about the importance of English. English is currently the primary language of international business. As globalization progresses, much information and resources are provided in English. Proficiency in English goes beyond being a mere communication tool. It becomes a key to creating various opportunities. For example, being able to communicate in English during international meetings or seminars allows for greater networking opportunities and enhances competitiveness in the global market. English is essential for expanding economic opportunities. Now, let's look at the importance of Python. Python has become an essential skill in the modern economy. As data-driven decision-making gains importance, programming ability has become a critical factor for competitiveness. In the fields of AI and data analysis, Python plays a core role. Companies need programming languages like Python to maximize efficiency and gain new insights from data. As technology advances, programming skills will become even more crucial. So, what would the world look like without English and Python? First, without a global lingua franca like English, there would be limitations in accessing information. Many scientific studies, technical documents, and the latest trends are written in English, so those who do not understand the language would miss out on opportunities for advancement. Global collaboration would become difficult, reducing opportunities for innovation and the exchange of ideas. If Python did not exist, there would be limitations in data utilization. In today's society, where data-driven decision-making is crucial, the absence of Python would significantly reduce the efficiency of businesses. The advancement of cutting-edge technologies like AI and machine learning would slow down, and companies would struggle to find the skilled talent they need, leading to a decline in technological competitiveness across the economy. So, what is the relationship between English and Python? These two skills are complementary. Proficiency in English greatly aids in understanding technical documents and materials. Since many programming-related resources, tutorials, and research papers are written in English, individuals who are skilled in the language can easily grasp the latest technological trends and quickly learn new concepts. Conversely, learning Python enhances data analysis skills, allowing for more effective utilization of information written in English. For example, when using Python to analyze datasets, referencing English documents or lectures helps one naturally acquire technical terms and concepts, positively impacting their English proficiency. Additionally, in a global business environment, there are numerous opportunities to collaborate with people from diverse cultures and backgrounds. The ability to communicate in English becomes a crucial factor for teamwork and project success. If one can present data analysis results created using Python in English, they can effectively convey their ideas and gain opportunities to connect with more people. Ultimately, English and Python complement each other and have become essential skills for competitiveness in modern society. Developing both skills simultaneously enhances personal expertise and creates broader opportunities. Without either English or Python, there would be significant limitations in accessing information and economic opportunities, leading to a slowdown in innovation and technological advancement. Both skills are interdependent and have established themselves as vital elements in contemporary society. Through this reflection, we can gain a deeper understanding of the importance of both English and Python. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. I will see you in the next video with more valuable content. Thank you.